1.2 order of operations. I can do order of operations.
All right, so thank you, Gavin. After the lesson today that we did, actually the lesson we finished yesterday, we're just videoing today, you all should be able to do order of operations, or at least have the idea in your head about the process to do order of operations. So we know order of operations is the order in which you solve a number sentence, right?
Right.
And everybody, you need to know what PEMDAS stands for. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. This is not the first time you've seen PEMDAS. So PEMDAS is your acronym for how to solve order of operations. The P stands for
Parentheses.
the E stands for
Exponent.
the M stands for
Multiplication.
the D stands for
Division.
A stands for
Addition.
S stands for
Subtraction.
Now, what in the world are we talking about when we draw a little bracket thing around multiplication and division and we make a heart? What does that mean? Oh, look at all the hands in the air. This is exactly what I want. Nurjit, you gotta be loud so the microphone picks you up.
That multiplication division are together.
Multiplication and division are together or they're in love. And what does that mean, Nurjit?
Multiplication comes first.
Always?
No.
So if multiplication and division are in love, let's say we have a problem like 3 times 2 divided by 2. Which one should I do first, Nurjit? Multiplying or dividing? Multiplying. Why should I do multiplying first? Because it comes first. What if I had, let me grab a different color here. What if I had 3 divided by 2 times 2, Nurjit? Which one would I do first now? Yeah. You would do this one first in the red problem, and you would do this one first in the blue problem. And because they're in love, because multiplication and division are in love, you do the whichever one comes first, right? You guys remember that?
Yeah.
So addition and subtraction are the same way. If they both appear in a number sentence, you do whichever one comes first when you read, and we always read from what side to what side?
Left to right.
Left to right, okay? We good?
Yeah.
And if you're confused, you say, well, wait a minute, I actually wrote this down in my cheat sheet. We all wrote that down within our cheat sheet. Do the one that comes first if they both appear in an order of operations problem or in any number sentence. Okay, and then down here, number 3, this is our practice. What are we making when we're practicing order of operations and showing all of our steps? What are we actually making, everybody?
A pizza.
A pizza slice. And the reason we say we're making a pizza slice is because our problem starts out really long, and we do one step at a time, and by the time we get down to the final answer, we just have the narrow part of a pizza slice, right?
Yeah.
So in this problem, this was our original problem, 3 minus 5 times 2. What do I do first? Raise your hand. What should I do first? Should I do 3 minus 5, or should I do 5 times 2 first? Which one should I do first? Preston, which one?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So Preston, what is 5 times 2? So we put the 10, and then we can only do one thing at a time, right? So we put the 10, and then we took this minus sign, and we put it right there. And we took the 3, and we put it right there. Now we have a new problem, and it's 3 minus 10. Should we use our number line to find the answer?
Yes.
Yes, use your number line, and we did that, and we got -7, and we boxed our answer, and we have a pizza. I'm not going to go through all of these problems, but number 4 is the same thing. You have addition, multiplication, and subtraction. Which one should we do first? Everybody in the count of 3. Addition, multiplication, or subtraction, which one should we do first? 1, 2, 3.
Multiplication.
Oh my God, that's great. You do multiplication first. So we did 4 times 2, we got 8, and we dropped everything else down. The last one, I'm not going to again go through everything. The last one, even more complex. Now we have parentheses and exponents. Order of operations. You're making pizza slices. You're doing one at a time. You're following PEMDAS. Any questions before I stop the video?